How to fix call failed error on WhatsApp. Well, a WhatsApp call failing can mean a few things, including a bad internet connection, the other person not answering, or the call being dropped due to technical issues. It is also possible the other person has blocked you or has their phone off. Now, first possible reason is poor or no internet connection. WhatsApp calls rely on a stable internet connection. If either you or the person you are calling has a weak or unstable connection, then the call might fail. The recipient might not have heard the call, or they might have chosen not to answer. The recipient might have actively declined your call, or technical issues like network problems or call handoffs can cause a call to drop. You want to ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or regular data connection. You can also simply go ahead and restart the device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app as well. So head over to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you're updated, and also restart your router or Wi-Fi to fix the issue. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.